Hi boys and girls, happy Tuesday. I have our stairs here again, our linking cube stairs, and this time I'm going to start with the larger numbers and go towards the smaller ones. So if I start here with my 10 stair, I could say 10, 1 less is 9. 9, 1 less is 8. 8, 1 less is 7. 7, 1 less is 6. 6, 1 less is 5. 5, 1 less is 4. 4, 1 less is 3. 3, 1 less is 2. 2, 1 less is 1. I'm going to take my 5 stick and I'm going to compare it with the 4 stick. Okay, so I'm using just the 5 and the 4. What do you notice? The 4 stick is shorter than the 5 stick, or I could say the 5 stick is longer than the 4 stick. Let's look at the 5 stick compared with some others. Let's take the 5 stick and the 7 stick. When I take a look at those, I notice that the 5 stick is shorter than the 7 stick, and the 7 stick is longer than the 5 stick. Let's try the 5 stick and the 2 stick. What could you say about those? Could you come up with 2 sentences to say about these 2 sticks? I could say that the 2 stick is the 2 stick is shorter than the 5 stick, and the 5 stick is longer than the 2 stick. Now, I'm going to mix the sticks up again. Okay, and I'm going to draw one, maybe like this 3 stick here. I can count 1, 2, 3, and I want you to point to one that is longer than the 3 stick. Most any of them would be longer, right? The only ones that would be shorter would be the 2 or the 1 stick. So I could say the 3 stick is shorter than the 5 stick, but the 3 stick is longer than the 2 stick. And I can turn my stick sideways. Doesn't matter. The 3 stick is still longer. The 2 stick is still shorter. Okay? So you could play at home with your adult, build some stairs and have one person draw a stick and the other person draw one, and then compare whose is longer than or shorter than. So I could say my 5 stick is shorter than my 10 stick, and my 10 stick is longer than my 5 stick. So we're doing a lot of comparing of numbers and lengths using the words shorter than and longer than. Does it matter if my sticks are up like this or if I turn them sideways? Does that matter? It does not matter. I can still measure and use the same words, longer than and shorter than. What I'd like you to do in your book is write your name to make like a name train. So put one letter in each box, and then have an adult at home do their name either above or below and make their name train, and then talk about whose name train is longer and whose name train is shorter. So which one has more letter passengers and which one has fewer letter passengers. Okay? You're also going to keep working on sticks that are longer than and shorter than, and then using your numbers down here to complete these sentences. So my blank stick is longer than my blank stick, and you would be filling in numbers there to make those sentences make sense. You're going to keep working on longer and shorter sticks, and then you get to draw some sticks on the back of the paper. So here it says on the back of your paper, draw a 6 stick, then draw a stick that is longer than your 6 stick. So if I was going to do that, I might want to use my sticks to help me. So I could take out my 6 stick and draw that. So I can trace it, or I could just draw one myself. Okay, so I'm going to make a 6 stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I can label it if I'd like with a 6 down here. And I could make a stick that is longer than my 6 stick. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I could say my 8 stick is longer than my 6 stick. My 6 stick is shorter than my 8 stick. And then I could make a stick that is shorter than my 6 stick. So I have 6 over here. I'm going to make this one a 3 stick. 1, 2, 3. And I could say my 3 stick is shorter than my 6 stick. My 6 stick is longer than my 3 stick. Okay? Have fun, boys and girls. Use your cubes to help you measure and compare.